Good day, everybody. I hope everybody's having a good day. Today we are making company chicken. So this recipe is good to make for anytime you have company or, you know, an outing, family get together. So basically I have really big pieces of chicken. I mean, these pieces of chicken are like this big. But any pieces of chicken will do. So I put my chicken in there. I diced up some onions. Alright, and now we're going to add our butter into it. It's going to be a half cup of butter. Alright, there's our half cup. We're going to go ahead and add it into here. It'll melt with the recipe. Now this recipe can be done in the oven. In fact, it's actually supposed to be done in the oven. But I'm going to do it in the crock pot because those are some big pieces of chicken. And doing it in the oven would just take forever. When I mean they're big, they are big. Like big pieces of cheese. Look how big compared to my hand. So yeah, we are going to be doing the crock pot so that way I'm not jacking up my electrical bill because I got to put it in there for an hour and a half just to cook that. So and there's a couple pieces in there that are bigger than that, so we're just going to do crock pot. So alright, so we got our chicken, our butter, and we've got our onions. You don't have to add onions if you don't want to. I added them just because of I had an extra one, and so we need to use it up so it doesn't go bad. Alright, so cream of mushroom soup. I'm putting it in a separate bowl just temporarily so that way I can mix all the seasonings in with it. And then I will transfer it over. Now it only calls for 1 can of mushroom soup. But the reason I'm doing 2 cans is because the remaining excuse me, the remaining juice that's from the chicken after it's cooked, I'm gonna use it for the rice. So, because we're gonna have rice with it. So here's. Now, I'm going to put that on the side. It has been so cold here. I am getting tired of the cold. It's getting to me. Alright, so I'm going to do a little bit of rice vinegar to help bring out the flavoring. Not too much. And then a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. A little bit of Better Than Bouillon. There we go. You can add any seasonings you want. You don't have to add the Worcestershire sauce, the Better Than Bouillon, or any of that. So the recipe is chicken, half cup of butter, paprika, salt, pepper, and 1 can of mushroom soup. That's all the recipe is. I'm just going overboard, so don't mind me. I'm gonna do some garlic powder. Normally I would put minced garlic in it, but I don't have any. I seriously need to go to the store. Alright, some ground ginger. This is coriander. Turmeric. You know, people ask me, why do I use these 3 seasonings all the time? These 3. And it's because they have good health benefits to them. So they got antioxidants and they're just good for you. So that's why. I gotta keep my husband healthy. Paprika. Now, if you want a little more kick to it, just a little bit, because I would use the smoked paprika. It's got a little bit of a kick to it. Just a little bit. I like it, but unfortunately my husband doesn't like spicy, so therefore we gotta use regular. Some paprika. Alright, we're going to give it a good stir. It might look thick now, but with the juices from the chicken when it's cooking and the butter, it will loosen up. Oh, excuse me. I got a frog in my throat. Give it. Alright. You got that part. Now, I'm going to add just a few more. My lemon pepper. Gotta have lemon pepper. Good Lord Almighty. Applewood. Alright. Let me just try a little bit of it. Yep. And if you need to add more seasoning towards the end, it's fine. Here we go. That's what she looks like. Just gonna put a lid on it, put it in the fridge overnight, and yeah, we'll cook it in the crock pot on low for about maybe 4 to 6 hours, depending on how long it takes this chicken to get done, because they are some big pieces. Anyways, have you guys ever tried the kettle popcorn, the microwavable one? So if you get that and put a little bit of lemon pepper on it, it's the best snack. Or you can get regular popcorn and put lemon pepper on it. Trust me, it is really good. It's a good snack. So, alright, I hope y'all have a good one. Bye. Alright, we are back. So we are done with our chicken recipe. The one that we started yesterday, and we cooked it in the crock pot. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around, and my husband was already in here getting him some. So he'd been coming in here all morning. When's it going to be done? This smells so good. So, you know, he had to come in here first and come test it out. So there's our piece of chicken. Now what I did with the remaining juices, the cream of mushroom soup that we've added to it. So what I did is I, towards the end, when the chicken was just about done cooking, I had went ahead and made some rice on the stovetop and added the rice in, let it cook for a few minutes in the liquid. So there you go. That's it. There's our company chicken. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a good day. And let me show you the supervisor. Do you approve? Do you approve? Yep, she approves. But yeah, there you go. All right, goodbye.